कुछ सामान खोए हुए हैं, गन फैला हुआ है। एंड ये लुक एट द लेडीज, वेलकम टू ज़ाग्रेब। वैसे 700 मीटर ही है। Good morning everyone and welcome to day 4. So we're headed towards Zagreb. It's been almost 10 hours that we've been in this train. There's a small cabin and usme there are 3 sleeping chairs. Gate वहाँ से you enter. यहाँ पे you have to keep your luggage and ये रहे there are 3 berths that you can sleep. So 3 of us are here and Pallavi, Pura Didi and Tanvi are in the next cabin. Really feel like getting out of this train. Guys, नींद कैसी आई?
ठीक, not bad.
एक तरफ हमारा केबिन देखो, सब बिखरा पड़ा है, हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या करना है। सबके कुछ कुछ सामान खोए हुए हैं, गन फैला हुआ है। एंड ये लुक एट द लेडीज। 5 मिनट का ब्रेक मिला, so got out of the train, walking for a bit, getting the blood flow in the body, and I think अब half an hour की journey बची है। Welcome to Zagreb। इतना अच्छा लग रहा है ट्रेन से निकल के, एंड इनका जो स्टेशन है वो एकदम मेन सिटी के अंदर है, so that's their station. And I think this is their central area, this is their main city वाला area. Now we're figuring out कि हमारा Airbnb यहाँ से कितना दूर है। ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है वैसे, it's I think 700 meters, but we're figuring it out कि हम यहाँ से जाएंगे कैसे। Either we'll take a cab because बहुत सारे luggages हैं, let's see, but everybody is happy to get out of the train. वैसे 700 मीटर ही है। So we've checked in now and we're staying at the Imperial Apartments in Zagreb. हमें लगा था कि ये 3-4 बजे तक चेक इन हमें नहीं देंगे, but out of 3 rooms, 1 room was ready. ये खुलेगा कैसे? तो यहाँ पे ऐसा सीन होता है that if you're taking an Airbnb, they will send you a password. So as soon as you reach the location, you have to enter that password to enter into the main building and to enter into your room also. So now हमने luggage सब रख दिया है. And now we're looking for a place to eat something to get breakfast. We're going to Corsica. यहाँ से पास ही है, 100-200 मीटर्स में है। थोड़ी वॉक भी हो जाएगी, थोड़ा सिटी भी देख लेंगे। एंड हल्की हल्की बारिश हो रही है, टेम्परेचर होगा अराउंड 18 या 19। बहुत ही प्लेजेंट वेदर है। lot of places, a lot of cafes, but बहुत कम cafes है जो actually खाना serve कर रहे थे। A lot of them were just serving coffee and croissants and all of those things. Yeah, this is how the place looks with brunch, lunch,
Breakfast, lunch, brunch,
yes,
brunch, munch, everything. We are done with everything.
Now the plan is कि अब हम we're headed back to our Airbnb. शुभम भैया वेदर के बारे में कुछ बताओ।
वेदर बहुत अच्छा है, पहाड़ों वाली स्मेल लग रही है।
Welcome back. So finally we've changed. We got some rest. Breakfast करने के बाद हम वापस आ गए। Oh, by the way, this is where we are living. मैंने पहले भी बताया था. These are called the Imperial Apartments. So this was I think a 7 or an 800 meter walk from the railway station. Cute dog यार. इतने सारे लोगों को देखा है. वो मस्त चल रहे हैं अपनी जगह में और कैफेज में जा रहे हैं, ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहे हैं, लंच कर रहे हैं, उनके डॉग उनके साथ बैठे हुए हैं. So it's such a nice thing to do. And एक और चीज, they are walking them without a leash. मतलब 80% of the people are walking their dog without leash. मेरा यहाँ पे जेमी होता, वो खुलते ही यहाँ पे छूट के भाग जाता. यहाँ पे बेस्ट चीज है, at least till 8:30 the light will be the same. कभी cloudy होगा, कभी sunny होगा, but you will be able to roam around the entire city in daylight. On our way to the Museum of Broken Relationships, and we're crossing the same place that we visited this morning for breakfast. What I've noticed about Europe so far is that people start their day really early and they end it also early. We have to take the upper town So there's a tram that goes. So we're going inside to get the tickets. We'll hop on the tram and go up. यहाँ पे ये चीज़ सही है. If you're even at a little height, you'll find a really nice view of the city. Headed to the Museum of Broken Hearts. Pallavi, how are you
Broken
feeling?
relationship.
Sorry. एक तो ये मतलब नाम ऐसा है ना म्यूजियम का, Broken Hearts या Broken Relationship. ये रहा. किसका दिल टूटा था यहाँ पे इतनी प्यारी और सुंदर जगह में ऐसे म्यूजियम्स क्यों बनाए हुए हैं? So just got done with the Museum of Broken Relationships. So interesting topic but a little boring also. So ये 2010 में बना था and this even received an award for the most innovative museum in 2011. So what it represents is basically different things that represent broken relationships. So for example, there was this beautiful tape recorder that I saw and we heard the recordings. So that tape recorder was sealed in a cover by the lady and the child found it when he was 1 year old. So he discovered it and her mother was afraid to open it up, thinking that agar usne ye nikal diya and by chance if she deletes the recordings, so then the last memory of her husband would also die. People donate these things to this museum and I think then they vet it. If they feel that okay, this is something interesting, then they put it up. We're at this cafe called Cafe Bar Destino.
And one more express. How's it? क्योंकि वो order कर रहे थे.
No ice. Indeed.
At our hotel, at our Airbnb. It was a great night, had some really nice food, had some drinks, enjoyed ourselves. Now it's time to call it a night. That's it for day 4.